How to pay meetup.com. So if you want to get a premium subscription on Meetup, which is Meetup Pro, and then you want to start paying on meetup.com, you can use the app, or you can also simply go to meetup.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. As soon as you're signed in, you'll find a little pop-up that says find your people with Meetup Plus and start your 7-day free trial. So obviously if you want to pay for it, this is the option that you need to go to. Simply select that option here. You will see all the benefits of Meetup Plus, whether you want monthly subscription or yearly subscription. With yearly you will get around 30% off, so if that's the thing for you, you can do that, or you can simply go ahead and tap on the start 7-day free trial option here, and once done you simply need to go ahead and then make sure to enter all of your details. And once you add a payment information here, you'll be able to add them and just select your billing cycle, and as always you can just tap on the start your free trial option to start paying on meetup.com. This way you can pay meetup.com. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.